I want you in my life, girl, fuck a solo. The arguments and fights, I can't do it no more. You ask am I alright, and I really don't.
Back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you like what I do to my hair, washing it, blow dry it, straighten it, and I like what I use in my hair. I really don't use anything in my hair. I'm just gonna show you like how my hair is gonna go. Like this is, I'm not putting no weave or anything in my hair. This is gonna be my hair that is getting straightened and everything. And so I'm trying to see the process of it. It's a long process, but it's a fun process. Because in the end, I be pretty, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to like the video and turn on your post notifications so you can know every time I upload a video. And I'm on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so everyone that watches this video that is new, subscribe to my channel, because once I hit the goal, I'm doing a big giveaway. But yeah, we will see this hair get tanned. It's been a month since my hair has been washed. I wash my hair every month. I put heat in my hair once a month. So today is the 7th of March. So my hair has been, so I got my hair done the first week of February. So like February 1st. So say February 1st is when I got my hair done last month. So February 1st to March 7th, my hair is still straight. It's not nappy or anything. It's just stringy from being oily, because my hair, I can't put oil in my hair. My hair has natural oil. So like it's still straight. It's not really dirty. Well, it's probably dirty, but you can't tell. But it's just oily, that's it. But so every month I wash my hair, and I only put heat in my hair once a month, and my hair will stay straight the entire time. So you guys won't be able to see me wash my hair, but you can, I will show you the shampoo, because my cousin comes to do my hair and she washes my hair in the shower, and you guys can't see that because I have nowhere to put my camera, so you can't see my body. So yeah, but I'm about to show you guys the shampoo that I use, since you guys won't be able to see me get my hair done with hair wash. So this is the shampoo I use. I use the Head and Shoulders Classic Clean, because this make your hair, make you feel like it's perfect to your head. And these big bottles, I got them from Sam's Club, and they're not expensive at all. And then I use the Dove for the conditioner, because Dove conditioner does my hair magic. Like, it's like amazing. So this is the only tool that I use. I don't use nothing else. I just use this. But yeah, Dove conditioner and Dove shampoo really gets my hair like good. But I use Head and Shoulders because I have dandruff. But since I've been using this, I don't have dandruff anymore. So I might go buy the Dove shampoo, and I can just switch it up. But yeah, these is what I really use. Just these two. And you can get these at Sam's Club, big bottles. You get for Sam's Club. But yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Okay guys, this is the finishing look of my hair. I love it. I love it. This is all I ever do. Nothing else. Nothing at all. But yeah, it's so pretty. And this is all my hair. No, nothing. No extensions. No anything. All me. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have anything positive to say or anything or what you do for your natural hair, comment that down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys.
Arguments and fights, I can't do it no more. You ask am I alright and I really don't know. You said I can be replaced, baby, that's a low blow. I want you in my life, girl, fuck a solo.